Are you struggling to make money on YouTube with less than 5,000 subscribers and 10,000 views? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Many aspiring YouTubers face the challenge of growing their channels and making money, especially when starting with a small audience. It can be frustrating to see little to no progress, despite putting in a lot of effort. I'm here to share my exact 7 easy steps blueprint that helped me grow my 3 faceless YouTube channels and make $10,000 a month. This step-by-step guide is the same method used by this big YouTubers who now earn between $10,000 and $20,000 a month, some even more. The best part? You won't have to do any hard work. AI will handle all the content creation and SEO optimization for you. Watch this video till the end, follow my blueprint, and you'll be on your way to making your first $10,000 this month. Let's dive in and get started. Step number 1, pick a niche. So all you have to do is pick a niche, which is a topic that is trending right now on the internet, such as cooking, traveling, digital marketing, health and wellness, personal finance and investing, technology and AI, or sustainable and ethical products. Step number 2, copy the handle of the channel that is performing well in your niche. Search on YouTube something that is in relation to the niche you picked, and it would show you videos that are in relation to your niche. Now select a video that is doing very well and go to the channel that posted that video. Make sure other video in that channel are doing well too. Then go and copy the handle of that channel. Step number 3, use AI tool to analyze the channel and generate an idea for a potential viral video. For this step, you would use the help of an AI tool. This AI tool will analyze the channel that you just visited and would generate an idea that is guaranteed to blow up and go viral within a week. It would basically, after assessing the channel, come up with a video idea that has the potential to get more views within a week. Now for that to happen, you take the handle of that channel and head over to this AI tool called TubeMagic. Its link is in the video description below. Click on it to sign up and access your free 7 days trial. Once you've signed up already, you head over to its ideation feature and click the Generate Video Idea button. Then paste the handle in the white box below and hit Generate. Just like that, it would generate a potential viral video idea for you. Now select and copy that idea. Step number 4, use AI tool to generate a script for that idea. Now head over to the scripting feature in TubeMagic and click the video script button, then paste into the white box below the idea you copied and hit Generate. But before you do that, you can set the number of words you want in the script. After the script has been generated, you copy it. Step number 5, use AI tool to turn your script into a video. So for this step, you won't use TubeMagic. You are going to use another AI tool called VideoGen to convert your script into a video. Now go over to VideoGen. The link is in the video description below. Click it and sign up. After you have signed up and logged in, click on the Generate Video button, then select whichever video template that suits you. Go down to the Start with Blank Script button and click it. Then now you can paste in the script you copied in here. Choose a caption, select a voice for the narration, add a music that you want for the video, set the scene pace to your liking, and then hit Generate Video. Now after it has been rendered, download it to your device. Then go over to your YouTube channel and upload the video. But just so you know, you are not done yet. After the video has been uploaded, click on Share and copy the link to the video. Step number 6, use AI tool to generate a title, description, and hashtags for your video. Now TubeMagic has a feature that would help you generate a proper title, description, and hashtags for your video, which would make it gain more views quickly. So head over to TubeMagic. The link's in the description below if you haven't yet signed up. Click it and sign up. After signing up, head over to the Warp Video feature under Optimization. Click it and paste in the link of your video in the box below, then hit Generate. The AI tool will scan and analyze the video and come up with the perfect title, description, and hashtags that the YouTube algorithm can easily recognize and push to viewers quickly. After the title, description, and hashtags have been generated, copy them and head over to YouTube. Step number 7, upload your video. Now this is the final step. You log into your YouTube channel and delete the video you uploaded earlier. Then upload it again, and this time, give it the title that TubeMagic came up with, Paste in the description and hashtags you copied from TubeMagic, and you are good to go. Be consistent and stick to this method for 1 month, and you should by then make your first 10K. Thank me later. If you want to watch more videos like this, smash the subscribe button, like and leave a comment.